Are you eager to explore the world of artificial intelligence but concerned about the cost of education? Well, I've got some exciting news for you. IBM is rolling out a free certification course in AI that's not only comprehensive, but also completely free of charge. This isn't just any course, it's designed specifically for beginners who are eager to kickstart their careers in artificial intelligence. Imagine mastering the basics of AI, exploring its most popular tools, and getting hands-on experience through labs, exercises, and a project. Sounds thrilling, right? But here's the kicker. Upon completing this program, you don't just walk away with new skills. You earn a globally recognized digital credential and an official IBM certificate, verified by Credly. That's a badge of honor you can proudly display in your portfolio or resume, pushing your career a significant notch higher. Now you might be wondering, what does this course cover? Well, it starts from the ground up, teaching you the foundational aspects of AI. Introduction to natural language processing and computer vision, machine learning and deep learning, run AI models with IBM Watson Studio, AL Ethics, and more. You'll learn how to use AI tools that are in demand in the tech industry today. And the best part? You will possess a solid foundation in AI concepts and their historical evolution. Skilled in NLP and computer vision techniques, with experience in various use case scenarios, proficient in distinguishing between types of machine learning and implementing ML algorithms, capable of executing AI projects from conception to deployment using tools like IBM Watson Studio, experienced in navigating AI ethics, ensuring the development of fair, transparent, and accountable AI systems, knowledgeable in identifying potential AI career paths and the skill sets required for various AI roles, adept at utilizing prompt engineering to enhance AI model interactions. You get to apply what you've learned in real-world scenarios. This isn't just theory, it's practical, applicable knowledge that can open doors to new job opportunities. And how do you get started? Simply head over to the link provided in the description below. You'll find all the details there, including how to enroll and what to expect from the orientation session. This is your chance to get involved in one of the hottest fields around without having to worry about tuition fees. So, what are you waiting for? Opportunities like this don't come around often. Enroll now and take that first bold step into the world of AI. With IBM's free certification course, the future isn't just bright, it's brilliant. Let's make it happen.